going to talk a little bit about a stop I just witnessed by a motorcycle cop. Um, I was following behind him. He just happened to pass me, and I tried to keep up with him. He was doing approximately 60 miles an hour because I was doing 55, trying to stay up with him on a 45, and then he happens to find a lady that was using her cell phone illegally, which that is against the law to use an electronic device. My problem is that he was breaking the law to enforce the law. So that's got to stop. And I followed him, and there wasn't no emergency. I was barely able to keep him in sight because I didn't want to do some extreme speeding to keep up with him. So that's the problem that I have. Don't break the law while enforcing the law, and that happens too much. And
the speed limit is 45 miles per hour.
A bunch of different cities, and that's ridiculous. And I was going to speak to the officer at the end of the stop, and he saw me, and he kind of revved up his engine to maybe act like he didn't hear me. So I just let him go, but that won't stop the video from being posted. All right, thank you. Excuse me. Excuse me. May I ask what he wrote you for?
Looking at my phone.
Looking at your phone? All right, but he was speeding on the way. Before he got you, he was speeding.
They usually do.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, thank you so much. Yeah, yeah.
Oh, so you thought he was getting you?
No. He wasn't. I was behind him and I was trying to catch him. The reason I know he was speeding because I couldn't catch him. I was doing 55 and still couldn't catch him. And then he come across you. I guess he looked over because he was in the fast lane. I guess he looked over and saw you. Then he pulls you over. But he was speeding without an emergency.
Right.
So that's the problem that I had.
I didn't want to argue.
Yeah.
Thank you, though.
Yeah, no problem.